I've come across with the used truck is that every time I go on a ride or something like that, I end up spending money to fix something. And the last, well, I took 2 weeks off, but the weeks before that, I hammered down. You know, I got like 3 or 4 loads, and then I did a PM, and then I did a PM on the trailer, and I spent thousands of dollars.
In a quarter of a mile, take exit 472 to Interstate 20, then turn left.
So far, I've been in business for a year. I haven't paid myself once. There is some money in the account, but I don't want to take it. But every time I go and make money, I spend it in fixing the truck, and I don't think that's the right attitude. So let me be clear. I'm a firm believer. Take care of your equipment will take care of you. But like I said, every time I've gone on good runs, I end up fixing tires or, doing PMs. I may not be forced to do the repairs, but I like to do it, But my question is, if I'm spending all the money in the truck, then I'm working for the truck, and the truck is not working for me. So if you guys are experienced and
now
you got a business, or if you drive a truck, I would love to hear your take on it, because I definitely could use some help. And I don't mean encouragement necessarily, but I still haven't figured out whether I will keep doing this or not. But I'm interacting with people, and I have to solve problems, and I have to park, and that's hard. And right now I gotta try to make it to that fuel stop over there. Look at all the trucks that are in front of me that are probably going to go there and get a parking spot, because it's getting late in the day. So I like the challenge. I like the hustle. But again, it has to pay at least for itself. Well, not just for itself. Now it has to pay for itself and for me. So the truck should make enough money to pay for both. So I don't know. And again, by the time I get home, I'm so tired. I do the legal stuff, but I don't do the paperwork. Then I have a kind of like an accountant, like a bookkeeper, and she sends me a report. The last time we spoke, she said that that things were looking better, because last year I didn't make any money at all. It was just expenses. So I don't know. What do you think? Can you guys give me some advice? Thank you.